What is up, guys? This is Josh with Lead and Iron, and today's video is another Grow With Me video that I want to talk to you about, which is about this speed editor right here. It's the DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor that includes this large dial in a design that includes all the specific keys needed just for editing. It's also Bluetooth with a battery, of course, for wireless use, so you can slip this into your laptop bag or your backpack and have a video editing keyboard that's compact enough that you can travel with. So this is really nice. This has made editing fun, more fun than normal, and I just kind of wanted to go over a couple things with you, and we'll go through this as we go, as we get through more and more different videos, and the way I learn more, I'll bring more to you guys. So this first one is, we have a video on the timeline, and as you can see, we can kind of jog through this using this dial, and if you just go little by little, you can go frame by frame, which is really nice. And then let's say I wanted to split right here, so this split button, all I have to do is hit it and it splits it. I'll go back just a hair and I'll hit ripple delete, and it moves my video to the left and it took out the split that I was on. Here it is here. Okay, so we also have a function where we can go source, and source will bring up different video clips that you have in your source. So we'll jog through this. Okay, and it moves right to the next area. So let's say I want to go in right here, and then all we have to do is put it together and out right there, and I'm going to hit this append button, and it takes it right to the end of my other video. How cool is that? That was literally 3 keys I pushed. 3 keys. And put in what I wanted. I think that's kind of cool, so all I have to do is hit timeline and then jog through. And you see that it put in at the end of this video. Now, I did have this here already, so I kind of want to show you. Let's say I made a mistake and didn't want that there. So I'll hit undo, which is right here, the to escape, and just hit it twice. Oh, there we go. Hit it twice and it's done. It's removed out. So that's another cool little trick. This is something that has totally made editing quite easier. Another thing is audio level. I can change the audio level through here just by holding this down. Okay. Source, I can show you here. Grow the timeline. You can move your audio level up and down. I'll let you back up on me. And it moved it. Increase, little by little. Put it together. Oh, let's bring it back down. There we go. So there you go. You can see in real time that you can move your audio level, and just right here you see that it went from being in the red to being in the yellow, which is still kind of almost borderline, but still it sounds good enough. So we know how to do in and out, we know how to go from our source to our timeline, and we learn how to do simple splits and ripple delete. We kind of know how to use this append button, which you could pick your in and out point and then append, and it goes right to the end of your video. Really cool stuff. And in the next video, we'll dive a little bit deeper, and we'll actually edit a video from start to finish to show you how much easier this made my life, especially with like simpler video edits. And if you kind of like this stuff, and if you want to learn more, please hit that thumbs up, please subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this speed editor, and hopefully this information really helps you guys. Anyway, guys, I gotta go because my back hurts.